So far, Wrexham have had what's probably been their best ever start to a season. And the amazing thing is that this side is basically the same team that spent so much of its time last year struggling at the bottom of the third division. And it was only a late rally that saved the team from relegation and gave them, for the first time in 10 years, the Welsh Cup. But on this season's performances so far, manager John Neal's move in signing Sutton seems to have been completely vindicated. He's been a great midfield creative force, and he's also got in on the goal scoring. In addition, Sutton has a record of over 20 appearances in European competitions when he was with Cardiff City, and this experience will prove invaluable for the Robins when they meet Zurich. Inside man Graham Whittle, who's the younger brother of Everton's Alan Whittle, and he's also 18, and possibly the most promising player to be on the racecourse staff for many a long year. 17-year-old Welsh youth international from Mochtre, Mike Thomas. Thomas, or Noddy as he's known locally, is Wrexham's answer to Georgie Best. He already looks like him, and the hope is that he'll be just as effective. How much of a problem is it for a team playing away in a top match like this?
Well, this is a difficult question because we haven't experienced anything like this before. Our only experience in two-leg games was with Cardiff in the final last season, when we played at home and won 2-1, and we were able to go away and draw. Consequently won the cup, but now it's the opposite way around. Now I'm wondering myself how it will affect us.
Do you think that you can win? Or do you think how far can you get in the competition if you get past Zurich?
Oh well, football's a funny game. It's a wonderful game. There's so many surprises every year, and I'm hoping that this is our year to be the surprise team, the Giant Killers.
You've always won.
Oh yes, and this would be a fantastic giant killing act if we can advance in this competition.